Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner or accountant using QuickBooks Online, today's video is going to save you some serious time. We're diving into how to edit tax rates in QuickBooks Online, even if you've run into those pesky errors while managing recurring transactions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your sales tax rates without breaking a sweat. QuickBooks Online makes handling sales tax super simple, and especially with the automated sales tax feature. With automation, QuickBooks automatically sets up your tax agencies and rates for you. But if you're still using custom sales tax rates, there are a few steps you need to follow to edit them safely. First, let's go over a common issue. If you try to edit a tax rate that's being used in a recurring transaction set to auto charge, you might see this error. To process this credit card transaction, please enter a credit card number. Code indirect tax 15811. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Here's how to fix it. Create a new tax rate in QuickBooks. Update all recurring transactions to use the new tax rate instead of the old one. Once every recurring transaction is updated, go back to your sales tax settings and make the old tax rate inactive. Now let's look at editing a tax rate step by step for the automated sales tax experience. Go to your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Online. Scroll to the custom rate section and find the rate you want to edit. Click Edit next to it. Update the name or the rate as needed. Click Continue, then Edit to save your changes. If you're still on manual sales tax, consider switching to the automated sales tax system. It's easier to manage and helps prevent errors like the one we just discussed. But if switching isn't an option yet, you can still follow the manual steps to edit your tax rate. By following these steps, you ensure your records are accurate, your tax calculations are correct, and you avoid any hiccups with recurring transactions. And that's it! Editing tax rates in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be confusing or stressful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.